guys, girls, and or other, how is it going? QWERTYpounds here, back with some more Lollipop Chainsaw. We are on to a new level.
It's some sort of farm.
We're on a farm.
And any minute, another one of those stupid dark purveyors is gonna show up, totally bumming our worlds. Don't you think, Nick? Nick? Nick?
Oh no, Nick. Nick isn't on our butt anymore.
Where are you?
Right here, Juliet.
What happened? I saved you!
I was feeling so ineffective, just being ahead and all. I thought it would be better to just go for the gusto. You know, get undead, the whole deal.
No! How can this be happening? Oh no! No! Watch out! Watch out! I can't stop it!
Juliet? Juliet!
Rosalind!
Who?
My little sister!
Let me guess. She's also a freaking zombie hunter?
Hey, Juliet! I came to save you! Something's wrong with this bus! Oh, it's really irritating! Is that a new purse? Wait, it's your boyfriend! He's a decapitated head? Fuck me! That's the coolest thing ever! Ah, I almost hit a bird! Look out!
Rosalind Starling, 16.
Hi, Rosalind!
Shit! Sorry, it's not my fault! This bus is fucked up! Rosalind, this is Nick! Wow, it's cool! What does the bottom of it look like? Can you see the spine sticking out? Yuck! Awesome! It makes me throw up!
Yeah! Nice meeting you, too!
Ah! It talks! Ah! It scares me! And I love it!
Your family's kind of, energetic, huh?
Do you smell that? Ugh. Something fishy is going on.
No way. This is all totally normal.
Ah! The brakes aren't working! No! Ah! Ah! Hey guys, don't worry! I'm cool! I've got it all under control! Shit! Oh, fuckballs! I almost forgot! Happy birthday, Juliet!
Well, I guess we're gonna have to
This doesn't
rescue
seem right.
I guess we should follow that bus, huh?
our little sister now, who's also a zombie hunter.
Wow, Rosalind must have seen this on my Amazon wish list. Nick Popper! I can shoot your head with this.
What?
Nick Popper. What? I'm already confused as to what is going on right now. But welcome back to Lollipop Chainsaw. Yeah, it's nice being
The old
back.
abandoned farm. A little run down.
I love the way crunchy leaves feel under my feet.
Whoa, oh my...
Oh, hello, Mr. Farmer Man.
Plant them crops. Cut the grass. It needs water.
Needs water.
And it's infested with zombies.
I like this gun thing that I have now.
Leave me alone!
Hey, what are you doing? Don't touch me. There, take that. Take it to the face! Oh. Alright. So now let's grab this ammo over here, because I only have one shot left. Alright. How do I use
I just so
the...
happened to wear my zombie fighting underwear today.
What?
Sensei Morikawa said wearing cotton underwear with little teddy bears or hearts is best for doing battle. He'd make me wear them to every class.
I'm so creeped out right now.
Take that, zombies. Oh, look at all that money. Look at all that money. Alright, so, yeah, this is the second thing I've recorded since Christmas. I took a little bit of a break around Christmas. I hope you guys had a lovely Christmas. Post in the comments, what's some of the cool stuff you got? I made out pretty well. I didn't have a whole lot on my list this year, but I was pretty satisfied. I got a whole... Oh, she's a little crazy.
They're attacking Roslin's bus.
Gotta get rid of these zombies. Yeah, I got Lego Batman 3. It's a pretty amusing game. I need ammo. Oh, there's ammo here. Okay. I haven't played a whole lot of it, but it's amusing enough. It doesn't disappoint. It's about what I expected. Need more ammo. Give me that ammo.
Now it's mine.
Totally losing my train of thought with having to shoot zombies and talk at the same time is kinda... Oh, are there zombies inside? Here, give me some more of that ammo. There is no more ammo there. Where am I supposed to go? Am I supposed to just keep shooting? I don't see any more zombies. Oh, it's on the side there. Okay, hello. Crap. Alright, give me more of that. It looks like it just sort of appears again once I run out. Yeah, so I got that. I got Pokemon Alpha Sapphire, which is so much fun. I've been playing that like non-stop the last couple days. I got both seasons of Black Butler, which I'm super excited about. I watched both of them. I watched both of them in a couple days. It's pretty much all I did over those couple days. It was so good. Such a good anime. If you guys haven't seen it, go watch it. It's phenomenal. Phenomenal. I got a whole bunch of... I missed what it said. How do I shoot Nick's head?
Amazing!
I don't know how I shoot Nick's head. I missed it. Do I do that and then like... I don't know. I don't know. How do I do it? How do I do it? Oh, I don't know how to shoot Nick's head. I missed the thing. Yeah, I got a whole bunch of Attack on Titan mangas, which I already had 1 through 8, but I got 9 through 14. Oh, they're so good.
Shut up, Nick. I know you're just being ironic because of my ginormous ass.
So good. Such a good, so good, such a good manga. Like, it goes so much more into the story than the anime. I love it. It's amazing.
Cool, a headless body.
Hey, stick me on that sucker.
Can I like shoot him on there? I still don't know how I'm supposed to. I still don't know how I'm supposed to shoot Nick's head. How am I supposed to shoot Nick's head? I have no idea. But you know what? I'll just do that. He's dancing. He's dancing. Do that little dance, Nick.
Yes.
Looking good. Looking good.
Yeah. Ready? And up you go, babe.
Hey, quit cupping a feel with your disgusto zombie hands. I don't want to think.
Did I miss some stuff back there? I think I missed some stuff back there.
What the cave's up to? How's the horses?
Ugh, another lame-o bomber zombie.
What is this sparkling over? Ooh, thank you.
The very best kind, too.
I just want this. I just want this. Pardon me. Now. I just want... No, that's not who I want to shoot. That's not who I want to shoot. Ow. Just the... Ooh, money. I'll take all that. Oh, God. Alright, let me just chop all these. I think that's pretty much all I got super exciting for Christmas. So let me know what you guys got. I'd love to hear what got you guys excited. Man, it was pretty decent Christmas. Didn't really do a whole lot. Pretty much just open presents and lazed around, which is how I prefer it. Got to just chill and play with my new toys. How do I get in there? What the heck? I did not need to know that.
Fattest zombie I've ever seen. Oh wait, sorry. I didn't mean to be insensitive. Die!
How do I get into that fence to get that lollipop? I want it. Oh, like this. Thank you.
Hey, that dude seemed a little too intimate with those chickens, if you know what I mean.
Oh my.
You mean he has sex with them? Bought it.
Ew. We didn't need the details, Juliet. We can figure it out on our own. Oh, don't touch me. Don't touch me. You're gross.
Zombie I've ever
Intimate
seen.
with those chickens, if you know what I mean.
Sorry, I didn't mean to be insensitive.
Oh well.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got dead bodies. We got dead bodies.
Yo, got this.
With our dead
Boom. Sumo status. Sumo status.
Everything up until now is kind of fun, but this is seriously creeping me out.
That was kind of great. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Get out of here.
The memories of this place are gonna ruin the smell of cow shit for me forever.
Guys, get off of my tower. This is my tower. Get out of here.
Stop!
Get off of me. Didn't know crotch shots worked on zombies. Hey. Will you just get dead? Will you just die, you stupid zombie? I've had enough of your shenanigans.
Cut the grass.
Aim for the head with the chainsaw plus it's for kills. Okay. I still don't know how to shoot Nick's head. Alright, let me just get a little bit. You know what? Screw it. I'm just taking it out however I can.
Goo-goo-goo-joob me.
I think it means like, hey, what's up?
No idea. I have no idea what it means. Even though I listen to this, I have no idea what it means. Headshots don't really work with this. Hey, get out of here. It's hard to aim with this because it like auto aims on the torso. It's like, oh, you should go for headshots, but it auto aims the torso, so it doesn't really work. Oh, thank you.
What's this then?
Wow, I really hope your sister isn't dead.
Why are you saying that, Nick?
Sorry.
Alright, time for some shopping. Hold on a second. Okay, there we go. Alright, we've got 163. Let's see what new outfit. There's usually a new outfit. Purple Pride. We don't actually have enough. I think I'm gonna hold off on the shopping until the next one. because then we will have enough money to pretty much get whatever we want. How do I get in here? How do I get in there? Do I chop this? Oh!
The very best kind
Nice.
too.
That's good to know. I can just chop through that stuff. Cool. What about this? Where do I go now? Where do I go now? Oh. Hello, little sister. There we go.
Where's the chicken?
I ate it. Hey, get off of me. Get off of me. I can't see through leaves. Oh, nice. Take that.
Now it's mine.
I love this gun thing. It's so sick.
Get off my farm!
Oh man, I was just thinking, I wish there were some flying zombies around here.
Why were you thinking that? They're trying to kill us.
I was being facetious.
Oh, I'll take care of them, Nick.
Hey, hey. You know what? Screw you guys. Ow! You should shoot all of you dead. Now the bus was just sitting there. Why didn't she just get out? Don't understand. But there's a lollipop over there, and I want it. Oh, there's a lollipop over there
It's
too.
Mom, Juliet, you are never going to believe Rosalind bought a bus. Yes, you heard right, a bus. Why would anyone want it? What's wrong with that sister of yours?
A lot, apparently. Well, there's a
Okay, I
lot
have a cool
of...
thought. We could take a couple of zombies and then put them in a wrestling ring and make them fight to death and take bets.
That's inhumane, Nick.
Come on, it'd be funny.
Can I kill these scouts? I guess I can't really do anything to the cows. Whoa. And the cows hate me now. I'm sorry, cows. Pardon me, I'll just be on my way. Now we can do this.
Awesome.
And give me these.
Cool. Rosalind, get out of the bus, quick!
We're trying to kill Rosalind, you jerks.
Get off my farm!
Whoa, crap. I totally missed that. Crap, I've been missing all of these. Where? I missed that. I got that one. Alright, time to use this for what chainsaws were actually designed for. Alright. And now...
Finally, Rosalind, get out of the bus, come on! Rosalind, where are you? Hello, item.
I guess we're gonna have to go hunting for her again. Where am I supposed to go from here? Where am I supposed to go? Oh.
Rosalind? Wait, are you still on the bus?
Wait, why is she driving? She's gonna knock your head off.
That would be so sweet. We'd match.
Rosalind, stop! Damn, that was close.
Let's
Why there's so many rocks falling on our heads? It's not okay. Anything more? Oh, hello, zombies. Why are you flying? That's not okay. It's not okay at all. Also, these giant rocks are definitely not okay.
Kill all the zombies? Let's come back to this farm and ride the cows.
You're gonna ride a cow.
Don't be racist against cows, Nick.
Definitely can't be racist against cows. That kind of hurts my head.
Knock us off the boss. What is she doing?
She's probably just being weird. All that hair dye's gone to her brain.
For sure. It's definitely the hair dye.
Cows love to eat flesh, their arms drawn near.
Who is that?
I don't know, but there's something fishy going on here. Check out that mushroom.
Ooh, mushroom. Hello, cows. Don't hate me. What happens if I, Oh, I actually can. Now what happens? Am I going on an acid trip? Called it. So called it. Them shrooms.
Where are we?
I'm dizzy, Juliet. Oh, man. It's like some weird giant egg. Some type of fucked up chicken monster.
Wait, Leghorn. I need to get to Rosalind's bus.
Jesus Christ!
Alright, well, I think that's going to wrap it up for today. So, oh my god! So, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, I would very much appreciate if you would leave a like, comment with some feedback, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys later.